Hi guys, it's me, Bella, with my socks backshot. And this, you can see here I'm holding a breath with me, and my little sister's here.
And we're gonna be driving this through big puddles like that, and like that over there. And there might be one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Hey, you know what? If you know here, if you go through, you probably see a person that really looks like a dead one. It's just fake.
And guys, before we start this video, make sure to like and
subscribe.
Yeah. Now it's gonna go through the puddle. Ready, you guys?
Yeah.
Lily, don't get your shoes all wet.
Right here.
That's gonna be deep. Wait, I'm gonna go through here. I know. I'm driving it with one hand. One-handed, people. One hand. Uh-oh.
It's the deepest puddle so far. Right here. This is
Oh my God! The wheel is way in there. I don't know if you guys could see that, but sheesh.
Put it right here. Let's see how it can drive. Put it right there.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Da-da.
Wait, Lily, get out of the way. Cause the shadow. Wait, I'm gonna go on this side. This is how deep it could go.
Hey guys, listen, it could go deeper right there.
Aw, Lily. You don't want to break it. Just kidding. I'm surprised that this thing could go in water that deep. And it's not even gas powered. It takes 6 AA batteries. And the controller, like 2 AA batteries. Oh my God! Dang!
It actually go that deep.
Wait, watch. Wait, get out of the way, Lily. That's how deep it can go. Wait. No, the shadows. Yeah, but that's how deep it can go. And it can still drive. Oh yeah, and one last thing, we're gonna show you the suspension. This is the suspension. Oh yeah, and before we end this video, make sure to like and
subscribe.
Lily, you were so off. Alright, bye dudes.